Hey everybody, this is Python exercises playlist introduction. So I'm creating a playlist with solved Python questions. So solved Python questions. Let me just write it down. And the whole idea of this playlist is if you worked with some Python, maybe for some business analyst or just to analyze some data, but your Python skills are not good enough and you want to improve. And the best way to improve this is by actually solving a lot of problems, right? Solving questions is or solving scenarios is a really nice way to kind of do this. So what I'm going to do is run a playlist where we'll have where each video is like maybe 3 to 5 minutes max, where we'll have some sort of scenario. Maybe you have an image and we want to resize the image, or maybe print something in a nice way. Let's see, in a nice way, and like very simple use cases. Maybe load data and do some manipulations. Let me just write this down. And maybe have a nice little UI or a graphical user interface to run maybe scripts every day and stuff, right? Or just have some control over your scripts. And so this is the whole idea of this playlist. So I'll be starting this. We'll have one video mostly a day, or maybe 2 or 3 videos a day, and that's the whole idea of this playlist. Thank you so much.